What's the deal, everybody? It's JT from Seven Figures Marketing, back with a new video. Today's video, I just want to get y'all an update on this campaign I just set up earlier today, and it's already doing its thing. So what I want to do is log into my Maxbounty account, and before I log into my Maxbounty account, I wanted to show y'all my Bing Ads account so y'all can see how much I spent before I even log into my Maxbounty account. So you can see between these two active campaigns, I spent $33.92. Might as well just say $34. 35, a little over $35 on this campaign so far. And if I log into my Maxbounty account right now, let me click on sign in. 127. So spent $35 a day on traffic and made $127, which is pretty good. And mind you, like I said, this is day one results. I haven't even scaled up this campaign yet. Haven't optimized the campaign, targeted different ads, different keywords and things like that. Mind you, I'm setting up direct link campaigns on Bing. That's pretty much what I've been doing with Bing traffic. I don't even use landing pages. I direct link straight to the offer. It's been working pretty good for me. The same training that I teach inside the elite course, I'm able to use for Bing. I mean, not for Bing, but for ClickBank and Maxbounty offers. It's working perfectly right now, and it's actually working better over on Maxbounty right now than it is with ClickBank. So I'm about to ride this out. I got a lot more testing to do with this funnel. I think it's gonna be a home run for me. This is my first real winner with Maxbounty and Bing ads. I feel like this is definitely gonna be one of those campaigns that I can push. Make $500 to $1,000 per day from. So definitely stay tuned on these updates. Let me refresh the screen because somebody always got to point it out. Still the same numbers, 127, spent about 35 or a little over 35 to make that. And, hopefully, because what I did today as well is scaled up the budget. So I started out at $25 a day. Now I just upped it to $100. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, man. So, between these two campaigns, I might release another update video if I got the time. So tomorrow I expect to spend, close to, anything over $100, I'll be happy because I can see me getting, $200 or $300 per day with this campaign just from spending $100 a day. So that's pretty much where I want to get at with this campaign. Get to 10K per month with Maxbounty. Just directly into campaigns. A lot of y'all know I just released a Bing ads training about a month ago. So a lot of people have been taking advantage of it, getting results with it. I've been releasing a lot of videos of testimonials. The students getting results with the Bing ads training. This is all a direct link. I haven't even added in the the funnels, how to track with funnels and, email follow-ups and things like that. This is just pure direct link campaign showing y'all how to make sales with it. And this could work in any CPA network, this training. It don't have to be Maxbounty, it don't have to be ClickBank, but these are the main two networks that I've pretty much been dealing with for the last couple years. So this is where I release my courses on and my training and things like that. But simple, just grabbing campaigns from ClickBank or Maxbounty, setting up direct link campaigns over on Bing, and getting results like this, as you see. And I'm thinking about giving this away as a done for you campaign inside the elite course in the next few weeks, just to see where this campaign goes to. If it end up flopping, a couple weeks down the line, I'm just release this as a case study so y'all can learn from it. I'm speaking to my elite course members. But yeah, man, I didn't want to get off into too much rambling. That's all I have for this video, man. I just wanted to show y'all the results that I got today of this brand spanking new campaign, not even optimized whatsoever. Spent 35, made 125, which is pretty good. Pretty excited on what this campaign is gonna do in these next few days and in these next couple of weeks. So stay tuned to that. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I reply to everybody. Subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I release more updates on this and other future Maxbounty videos. And I will see y'all in the next video.